Hey guys, welcome to our workout from home channel. Today we are doing day 30 workout and we are working on the core muscle. We are doing ab circuit today. So before getting into the workout, let's do some warm up. For the warm up, do 5 walkouts. Get into high plank, stay for a second and then walk back. Do 4 more of these. And after that, we'll get into the child pose. For the child pose, sit on your ankle like this on the floor and then bend your back, make it look flat. So just try to stretch your back and shoulders here. Stay here for 15 to 20 seconds like this. And after that, get into pigeon pose for 20 seconds on each leg. And once we are done with the pigeon pose, we are going to lie on the ground like this and then hold your legs just like a child, and you're going to oscillate here in this fashion, and after that just try to move left and right like this. This gives a good stretch on the back. And once we are done that, we are again getting onto the kneeling position like this, and then try to sit on your ankles and then move back, take the support from the ground and then try to stretch the quads and then back like this. So once we are done with the warm up, let's get into the workout now. So for the workout, we are doing 200 jumping jacks, and every 50 jumping jacks, we are going to do 4 movements. And those 4 movements will be 20 downward dog leg raise with a crunch and 15 around the worlds, or we can call it as a full body crunch as well. And then we are doing 10 plank shoulder knee taps, and we are ending with 5 walkouts. So this will be 4 movements we'll be doing every 50 jumping jacks, and we'll stop once the 200 jumping jacks are done. So this will be an 18-minute circuit. So for the jumping jacks, we're just going to move in this way. So this will be jumping jacks. And then once we are done with the 50 jumping jacks, we are doing a downward dog leg raise with a crunch. So basically we'll start in a high plank position like this initially, and then get into a downward dog position. Raise your leg, and from here we are going to do the cross body crunch like this. So this will be 1, and we are going to do alternate left and right leg like this. So in another angle so that you can clearly look at it. So basically we are starting in the high plank position, then get into a downward dog, do a leg raise, and then from here you are going to move forward and then do a cross body crunch like this. Same way we're getting into downward dog, alternate, now left leg, and from here move forward and then do a cross body crunch. So we're doing 20 of these, 10 on each leg. So if you feel the downward dog leg raise crunches are difficult, you can do a regular cross body mountain climber. You will be on the high plank position like this. Just do the regular cross body mountain climbers. Just make sure you're moving your leg forward and you're trying to reach the elbow of the hand. So like this. So this will be the modified version. And after that, we'll be doing 15 around the world crunches. For that, you're lying on the floor like this, and then make sure you keep your hands behind and then your fingers are touching each other, and from here you're going to lift your legs and upper body together and then meet your fingers again behind your legs like this. So this will be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, like this. When you do this, make sure you're moving your upper body as well, and then along with that you're moving your legs. So and this position here, make sure it is firm on the ground. So we're doing 15 of these. To modify the around the world workout, we can just do the regular crunches. So for around the world crunches, we are doing like this. To modify it little bit, you can do an elevated crunch. Elevated crunch will be, you'll be keeping your legs all the time like this, and then we'll just do the crunch like this. Do 15 of these. If you still want to scale it a little bit more, just do the regular crunches. Like this. We are doing plank, shoulder, knee taps. For that, we are again getting onto the high plank position. And once we are on the high plank position, make sure the wrists are directly under the shoulders. From here, we'll be doing a shoulder tap on both sides. And after that, we'll be doing a knee tap on both legs. So these four will make it one movement. So 1, 2, like this. So we're doing 10 of these. And once we are done with 10 of these, we're doing 5 walkouts. For the walkouts, you're touching your toes, then walk forward, get into high plank position, pause for a second, and then walk back. So we're doing 5 of these. And once we are done with one round, we are getting back to jumping jacks. So like that, we'll be doing 200 and then 4 rounds of these. Every 50, we'll do 1 round. So if you want to scale it, you can reduce the jumping jacks to 40, do 40 each round, and then make it to 160 at the end of the time. So this will be our workout for today. So let me do one quick round. So I'm going to continue until I make it to 200 jumping jacks. So this will be our workout for today. And here is our quarantine tip for today. It's a long weekend, plan a movie night with your family and watch your favorite movie from your childhood. Thank you, see you.